In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your personal loan rate estimate on the SoFi website. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to sofi.com/personal loans. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the personal loan section of the site. This is where SoFi provides information about borrowing options, including estimated rates and repayment terms. If the page has promotional banners or extra details, don't worry about reading everything right away. For this process, we're focused on the rate checking tool. Next, look for the Check Your Rate Calculator tool and click on it. This tool is designed to give you a quick estimate based on a few details you provide. It's useful if you want an early look at what your borrowing options might be before moving further into a loan application. Since this is an estimate tool, it helps you compare possibilities without needing to go through a full application up front. Once the calculator opens, enter the requested loan amount. Be as accurate as possible here because the amount you choose can affect the rate range and term options you see. After that, select the intended use for the loan. This usually means choosing the purpose of the funds, such as debt consolidation, home improvement, or another listed reason. Picking the correct usage helps the tool tailor the estimate more appropriately. Then, provide your estimated credit profile score. If you don't know your exact score, use your best reasonable estimate based on your recent credit history. The goal here is to give the calculator enough information to generate a realistic soft pull estimate. Take your time when entering these details, since even small differences can change the results shown on screen. After you've filled everything in, review the estimated soft pull interest rate ranges that appear. These results give you a general sense of what rates may be available based on the information you entered. You should also look over the flexible term structures shown alongside those estimates. Loan terms affect both your monthly payment and the total amount paid over time, so it's helpful to compare them carefully. As you review the results, remember that these are estimates, not final loan offers. They're meant to help you understand your options and decide whether the loan looks like a good fit for your needs. That's all there is to it. You've successfully used the SoFi personal loan rate tool to check estimated rates and repayment terms.